Sanibonani. Sizwe kuthiwa laphana i-ANC ivote ne-MK ukuthi kube kuJaji Hlophe njengejaji njengodokotela womthetho nengqwele ezohlala kwi-JSC. Siyakubonga lokho abakwenzile. Sengathi-ke ingaphumelela indaba ye-JSC ukuthi ahlale uJaji Hlophe njengengqwele yethu esiyithembile yomthetho. Phela kujwayelekile ukuthi la kithina ohulumeni nama-subcommittees kahulumeni kuvele kuyithathelwe nje noma ubani okade ezenzela imsebenzane le phansi mekwazi nje ukuvukuza abantu aqhamuke through ama-union avele anikezwe isikhundla esingaphezu kwakhe esi-oversize. Uthi mese sey'nkingeni bese kuthiwa-ke hhayi-ke sedinga i-support yethu kuthiwa hhayi manje mnyama kumele ukuthi simdifende ngoba owakithi ekubeni vele bengena esikhundleni esiwu-oversize. Siyabonga ukuthi i-JSC ikwazi ukubona isidingo sokuthi bafake umuntu laphana ozoba usayizi walo msebenzi olaphana. Mina bengivele ngikhala ngokuqokwa kwamajaji ukuthi how come ukuthi angabi khona amajaji asephumile emsebenzini kahulumeni abe yingxenye yokuqokwa kwabantu abazomthetho. Ngizwile-ke kuthiwa i-DA o-matric bakhona bebeyothi ubomvu laphana bethi ku-wrong because leli jaji is unethically, he's a disgraced judge. Ngibonile kwenye indawo kubhalwe kanjalo, he's a disgraced judge. Angikaze ngilibone la magama esetshenziswa kakhulu kubelungu asebenza kubantu abamnyama no-delinquent director, and sibe excited ukuthi abelungu babhale kanjalo. Yazi umlungu akulandele aze ayokuchitha mekufuna, kodwa futhi engaphumile ekutheni he loves other black people, kodwa wena siqu sakho ufuna ukudila nawe wenze sure ukuthi ikhanda lakho uyalichoboza. Ngendlela ujaji Hlophe no former president Jacob Zuma bangamfuni ngayo abelungu, benza sure ukuthi ngisho ngana-100 baye baqede ngawo, kodwa abelungu baze bayifele beno-95 beno-90 bani bengalandelwa muntu. O-de Klerk baze bayifela, o-P.W. Botha bayifela, o-Pik Botha bayifela, oMalane bayifela, o-De Klerk bahlala ejele baphuma baholelwe iy'mali zo-40,000 bebonga ukuthi kade behlele emajele. Nje bona baphatheka kahle. Ngeke uze umlungu nje igama lakhe i-DA udaba la ihambe nalo nje unyaka wonke. Kuthiwa Mark Jooster wathatha iy'mali zempesheni zabantu PIC, sorry. So we are a disgraced leader, kugcwale nje emaphepheni kugcwale. No, makuwumlungu ngizwe labelungu kade bekhulunywa ngabe ey'ndabeni izolo kuthiwa kwelinye lamazwe angapha e-Asia, sengikhohlwe igama lalo, ababhala bathe falsely accused engineers are charged with drugs. Sebehlala unyaka wonke kuleli yazwe, I think izwe lamaNdiya, sebehlala unyaka wonke kuleli yazwe, kodwa kubhala ukuthi disgraced engineers, kuthiwa falsely accused engineers kusho imedia yase-South Africa. How do they know ukuthi these guys are falsely accused uma ngabe i-judgment ingakaphumi? Akushiwo ngani ukuthi disgraced white engineers? So nje uyabona siyabantu abamnyama siyamdinga u-SABC wangempela ngelinye ilanga oyimela through the subsidy of government akwazi ukuthi ariphothe ngokungachemi, nokuthi nje kwi-constitution kufuneka amagama anjalo asuswe, amagama anohlevana, kungabi namagama alebeliwe abantu abamnyama kuphela, abelungu bona mabefile kubhalwe kahle ngabo. O-De Klerk asibonanga kubhalwe kanjalo kuthiwa disgraced former president, no Botha abazange babhalwe kanjalo. I doubt ukuthi there is anywhere you can find like kuthiwa khona uVerwoerd was disgraced former president of South Africa. But look at the brutality caused in this country. Kodwa ayikho nelilodwa igama eliwu-disgrace. My next question is, u-disgraced usho ukuthini? U-delinquency usho ukuthini? Yini indaba lamagama alandela abantu abamnyama ahamba ngohlanga wayangakhishwa kwi-vocab yase-South Africa uma ngabe ukuthi kanti amagama achemile? So nje ukuthi i-ANC-ke yona isivote ne-MK akungihlaba umxhwele, ngoba bekufuneka bangavumi ukuthi kwi-administration yomuntu omnyama ijaji elimnyama lixoshelwe ukuthi kuthiwa a hearsay. hearsay, kuthiwa lathi ephasiji sesithembeni namadoda. Ufuna ukungitshela ukuthi abelungu ababe-involve ekuhengweni kaSolomon Mahlangu bakaze bakhulume, they were legally correct at all cost. They never talk at brave ukuthi simenze njani uMahlangu, athi omunye asimhenge, athi omunye asimyeke. Abazange nje ikhulunywe nje, akubelungu azenzeki lezi zinto, i-passage talk ayenzeki kubona, yenzeka kubantu abamnyama kuphela. Kodwa-ke iy'nkinga ey'nkulu esibhekana nazo sikulesi simo esikusona, ingenxa yokuthi uma sinikezwe ithuba lokuthi siqoke abaholi abanohlonze ey'khundleni kahulumeni, we always compromise, sifake abantu abangenayo influence enkulu, abangafundanga okutheni, abanama-qualifications a-questionable, noma bekhuluma nje obonayo ukuthi hhayi le ndoda engathi ayigcwele kahle nalama-qualification ashiwo la a-questionable, abagcina nabelungu elinabo wavundulula ukuthi amanye awekho emthethweni. So it's high time ukuthi siyabantu abamnyama sibambane, let's trust each other, but moreover asinikeze abantu amathuba ngokwamakhono abo, ngoba ngeke sikwazi ukulibuyisa leli zwe uma ngabe ama-position amqoka sinikeza abantu abangenawo amakhono. Bohlale bedlala abelungu kanje, yabo, bohlale bedlala abelungu kanje, ngoba awukwazi ukuthi umuntu ube bekuthiwa lapha kuleya post public enterprise, no, again, public works, ukube kuthiwa umuntu obekulapha kuleya position bekuwumuntu one-masters kwi-quantity survey and 20 years experience industry with over 200 billion projects under his belt, we're going to be able to defend ukuthi akakwazi ukuphatha u-matric, bese uyithatha siyise ngisho e-Constitutional Court. But asikwazi ngoba ubaba uZikalala as much as ene-masters, but it's a skewed masters for that position. Yenza ukuthi abelungu bakwazi ukusithatha for a ride, babe ku-matric, and uma bengathiwa babekwa vele nobaba uZikalala, uthola ukuthi vele angambitha lo mlungu, uthole ukuthi umlungu vele ube-expose ey'ntweni zakwa-public works for past 10 years. But baningi abantu abama-quantity surveyor nawo-land surveyor aba-suitable and qualified ukuthi ngabe banikwa le position. Engabe manje siyasukuma manje sithi ngeke, akukwazi ukuthi umlungu ono-matric ohlaza cwe angazothatha isikhundla esingaka kudilize umuntu omnyama. But asikwazi ngoba nathi we are always compromised. Bafowethu, engathi singafunda ukuthi sibambane sibe munye, singabi inhlekisa, singakujabuleli ukuthi sihlekisa ngomunye phakathi kwabelungu, because abelungu abasoze bahlekisa. Ngeke uzuzwe kuthiwa i-Freedom Front Plus ikhuluma kabi nge-DA, okanye i-DA ikhuluma kabi nge-Freedom Front Plus esidlangalaleni. Ungazi ucabanga ukuthi bayazwana, banawo ama-differences abo, very sharp differences. Kodwa uma into ithinta omhlophe kwazi ukuthi that is a white supremacist that you must defend with everything we have against the black government. Ngibone enye ividiyo engizwisa ubuhlungu ethi i-Africa is the richest continent. Whoever doesn't want Africa akazazi ukuthi ufunani emhlabeni. That is the most contested continent ngoba umhlaba wonke, ama-minerals wonke asele emhlabeni ase-Africa. Zingaki iy'ngane zase-Africa ezifunda ngo-engineering, mining engineering, extract ama-minerals underground compared to iy'ngane zase-Europe. Iy'ngane zase-Europe nase-Asia la ekungekho khona ama-minerals angangase-Africa, izona ezenza o-mining engineering, but iy'ngane zala e-Africa kukhona khona ama-minerals, zona zenza o-nursing, no-teaching, no-law. We've got surplus of lawyers, but how many mining engineers we produce each year? Asisiboni thina opportunity yalama mining, kodwa abonwa abantu abangenawo ama-mine emazweni abo, ibona ababona ama-opportunities ey'mayini. Ufica iy'ngane ey'ncane kulama-small mining scale eyenzekayo all over the country. Ufica abafana abancane abano-24, kuthiwa is a site mining engineer, but uma uthi ubheke ezakithi kuthiwa zenza i-shack, benza is a safety officer. Ngoba asibuki ku-100 year plan, thina njalo sihlala sibuka ngo-5 years ukusolve iy'nkinga zami zendlala. I hope ngelinye ilanga new leaders will emerge, like uThora lo wase-Burkina Faso. Mhlambe soba nama-leaders anjalo kusasa ngelinye ilanga izwe lethu nathi liphakame. Siyabonga. Sharp.